This video is on Graco Blossom high chair disassembly. This Graco Blossom high chair is a popular baby high chair, but boy, how do you dismantle a Graco Blossom high chair is not straightforward at all. Anyway, I will cover how do you take apart the Graco Blossom 6-in-1 convertible high chair step by step, and I start right now. Let's start Graco high chair how to take apart by removing the Graco Blossom tray. Let's start the Graco Blossom high chair cover replacement by removing the body support. Push the buttons on both sides and lift the seat to remove it. Release the seat pad flaps from the armrests on both sides of the seat. Release the webbing on the back of the seat pad from the slots in the seating area. Now I cover how to clean Graco Blossom high chair and the washing instructions. This video is not sponsored, and I also spend lots of time making and editing this video. If you're getting value out of this video, please support us by hitting the like button, or even better, by leaving a short or one-word comment below. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm and also very encouraging for us. Thank you so much for watching, and let's continue with the video. Now I detach the seat back from the base of the infant seat. Press the red handle, and as you see, I'm using some force to release the holes on the both sides. This step is really stupid. Push on the footrest to release it. I have other videos on this Graco Blossom high chair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.